gosh, this is a dream bird. I think we have pretty good chances. If I see this trail, I don't think that many people come through here, so I really have to watch out for snakes and stuff. But as I said, I think the chances are pretty good. Oh my gosh, this is a dream bird. I have to be super quiet. I just found a red-capped mannequin, I think it is. This is a dream bird. I wanted to find this bird since months. It's not that rare, but I never got lucky. Today, right there, it is. We are 5 minutes in. Not gonna lie, this is crazy. There's a hummingbird. It was right in front of the GoPro. And now it is sitting on a branch. Now it is flying again. Come on, sit down, buddy. He sits down. He's like 2 meters in front of me. He's sitting on that branch. Can the GoPro see that? There's a squirrel. Here comes the rain, but because we are under the jungle canopy, we don't get this much of it. Look at this guy. Who are you, mister? Here comes the rain. And the rain is getting worse. So I will have a small break, put on the poncho. We are protected from the rain. And I saw squirrel monkeys right in front of me. There is a tropical kingbird, I think, sitting up there. Wait, let me rotate. Yup, I'll take it. He moved. There are 2 ducks. Now we get 2 ducks. Arma cow. Verdammt. Das ist too slow. So. Yes, sir. Okay. Let's try to get an angle. Oh, that looks good. Huh. There. Still there. There's some more Arama cows sitting. Okay. Whoa! Bro! You boy scared the f going on my heart. Oh, you hear that? That sounds scary. There is a horse. Hello, Mr. Horse. Look at how big it can get in the rainy season. I got a small watermelon, 3 bananas. ¿Usted tienes cambio? Sí. Okay, perfecto. Aquí. What a day. I finally found some wildlife. There is a grackle sitting right here on this palm leaf. You see what I see? There is a Arama cow sitting right there. I hope you can see this. There is another grackle or something. There was a seed eater right in front of me, and I've got it. Oh wait. I have a scarlet rump taniger. Right? great. That's a male. The females are brownish. Wait, there is something big. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe to the channel to become a part of our journey. Besides that, leave me a comment down below what was your favorite animal and your favorite picture that we saw today. I'll see you the next time. Have a good day and peace!